everyone, welcome back. This is Tiana. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to create this look doing a Flexi-Rod set. So I hope you enjoy this video. It did take a little bit of time for me to achieve this look. So continue to watch. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to be doing a Flexi-Rod set. I haven't done this in a moment, but I wanted to do something different. I'm always doing twist outs, braid outs. And I've also done planting out videos, so this is going to be a different video. Of course, guys, I just washed my hair with my favorite shampoo, my very own Tiana's Creations, Babassu Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. So it's kind of like damp. So what I'm going to go in and do is I'm going to be adding liquid first, so I'm going to use my BB Lotta Serum. I'm going to saturate my hair. It's very important that you saturate your hair before styling, especially your natural hair, because you don't want it to be dry when you get ready to do your set. So I'm just going to go in and just add some moisture. And guys, because my hair, it shrinks a lot, I'm going to do my hair, I'm going to blow it out. So I'm just pretty much just showing you, you know, how I start. Now I'm going to be using my BB Crown Glory Moisture Creme. And we're going to add that. This is going to help with heat protection. It's going to definitely help detangle it. It promotes growth. It does a lot. It's a 3-in-1 system. So I'm just going to be adding this in my hair before I begin blowing it out. Guys, this is like the best product in the world. Like if you really like have trouble like with detangling your hair, or you just don't have the time, your hair is super thick like mine, this would definitely cut the time in half if you use this wonderful moisture cream. Go pick up my wonderful products on my website at www.tianashaircreations.com. So this is just pretty much what I'm doing before I do my set. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna blow dry, and I'll get back with you. Okay guys, I am back. My hair has been blown out, and we're gonna be using some Annie soft twist rollers. That's 3/4 diameter, and I got these from beauty supply store. Hollywood Beauty Supply, and it's 5 in a pack. So we'll probably be using, most of them. Product I'll be using will be Lotta Body, and this is coconut and Shea oils, Foaming Mousse. Okay, so I am going to just pretty much break this up. Start on one side and do the other side. So I'm going to start my section at the top and work my way to the back. So, I'm going to break this into 2. Just try to get it, try to get the consistency right, like the size of it, because it makes a difference in the outcome. So I'm just going to just break that up like that. And I'm just going to take this hair, wrap it around. And I'm just going to clip it out the way. And I'm going to show you a couple. I'm just going to demonstrate. I'm going to use the mousse. And get it saturated. Take my comb and comb it through. Like so. And we're going to make sure it's smooth all the way through the ends. And now we're going to take our roller set, and we're going to start wrapping. And I'm going to pretty much just take it and wrap it in a certain motion. Make sure you twist it with some good strength. And I'm going to take a little of that foam, wrap it. Oops. And get me in my face. Wrap it around like that. And we're going to take it and fold it up. Like so. Take the other one and fold it over. Like so. Just like that. And I'm going to do the second one. So, pretty much going to pull it up a little bit. So I want to get kind of lift up off. Up, so you can bottom, and you take it apart. And I'm going to twist it. That arm, I'm going to twist it. Twist. And once you twist it, you add a little bit more loose. Take it and I'm going to fold it over like that. Okay, and then we're going to do another one. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of them off camera. Okay, so I'll demonstrate the last and final one. Every loose and fold the bottom and fold the top down, and that should complete it. I put all of them in, so it's a total of 10. So I'm going to set under the dryer, and then I'm not going to sleep with these rods. I'm just going to be honest with you because they hurt my head, so I'm going to leave them in overnight and I'll take them out. Okay, so, alright ladies, I left it in for, probably 3 hours, and I stayed up under the dryer. So I'm going to take it out. So I'm pretty much done. I took the Flexi-Rods out, and I just, took my hands and kind of just went in and just kind of fingered like comb it at the bottom. That will give you more volume. That's a trick without having to mess with the hair on top. And you can just go in and just kind of play with it. Poof it out a little more. And that will complete this look. So let me know what you think. And I will see you in another video.